used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I 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 day I. You will always be by my side. You will always be by my You will always be by my side, by my side, by my side, by my side, by my Loving it, everything that we do.
All along I knew I had something special with you.
Sometimes you just gotta know that these things fall through.
I'm still tired and I can't hide my connection with you. Feeling it, loving it, everything that we do.
All along I knew I had
Something special with you.
Sometimes you just gotta know that these things fall through.
I can have my connection with you.
I'll never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you,
I knew that I would
love you till